Hey there, time for another tutorial with Greg Lamb. That's me. Alright, so I got this question here and it's pertaining to how to change your info on the BCPVA site. This is a question from Danny Saison. Hi Greg, thank you for your hard work and time you spent on the BCPVA website. It looks great. Thanks Danny. Is there a way for us to update our profiles on both our listing page and more info page? Many thanks, Danny Saison. Yes, there is, and let me show you how to do that. So we're here at the bcpva.com site, homepage. This will work off any page, by the way. Now you just scroll down to the bottom and put in your username. And for almost everybody, this is your email address. So mine's greg@smallbusinessdoer.com. My password. Now you are all sent passwords. If you forget it, you can just click on your recovered password, put in your email address, and you get it back. Any problems, just write to me, greg@smallbusinessdoer.com or greg@bcpva.com. I have a lot of email addresses. Shouldn't be that hard to find me. In any case, so we log in, and it takes us back to the home page again right at the top. It's supposed to do that, so don't worry. What you have to go is scroll down again and click on the admin button here. And this will take you into the back end. Now only registered users, which is all BCPVA members, can do this. So the two places you want to look for are profile or posts. So I'm just going to go for post first because I think this is going to be most relevant to most people. So you click on posts and you're going to see a whole slew of posts over here. Now, to kind of filter down what you're looking for posts pertaining to members. So click on members and filter. And there you'll see just the member profiles. So I'm just going to use Danny Saison here since he asked the question. So you can either click here or you click on the edit. Doesn't matter. So we just click on the edit. And we're waiting. Come on. For some reason, the website always goes slow in the demos. It just doesn't like me. Or maybe I just can't click properly. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, here we go. So to people, this is googly-gook. Other people who know HTML, they can understand what this means. But essentially, there's two modes. There's visual and HTML. Visual is kind of like the Word document mode where you can actually see a nice preview of everything. Whereas HTML mode looks like this. So I'm going to attempt to show people the HTML version just because it's a little more precise. For quick and easy things though, you could seriously go into visual mode and just go in here and retype things or delete things. But I mean, you can figure out how to do that your own. HTML is a little more trickier thing, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So essentially, your picture is right here. So this is, let me just divide it up here a little easier. Okay, so category member left. So that pertains to the left side of your profile. So this is the left side here, and that's where we put the image. So this is just a link to the image, and to get an image linked, you would just click on image here, and you would select the file you want to upload and insert it in there. It should be a pretty simple thing to do. And so that would affect your left-hand side. So, for example, if we take this out and I preview my change, I'm not going to update it because I actually changed it. Previewing lets you see the damage you're causing first. Okay, everything looks just really horrible. So definitely don't want to do that. So I'm just going to paste everything back in, preview that. Okay, everyone is happy. So everybody is set to happy mode, so all your profiles should look good unless you go around fooling with it. But anyways, if you need to change your image and you know what you're doing, you can just go and do that. Now, the right-hand side, so I'm just going to separate out this here. So, okay, the right-hand side is between what are called these div tags. So this is your div tag for your left-hand side, and it ends. You can tell it ends because it has this little slash here. And for your right hand side, again, it has the div class category member right, and then it ends if I scroll down all the way over here. In any case, so what you could do is you just need to know honestly a few tags. You don't even have to really know what these mean. Important thing is, like, say, an H2 tag over here. So you have an H2 tag and it says wedding. So if you click back over here to preview, the wedding you can see is nice and big. So say we didn't want it so big, we can take out those H2 tags, preview it, and look, it's really small, but we wanted to just have it a special bigger title there. So I'm going to put H2 tag. So if you want to change this stuff, just type it in, change it up, preview it. So I'm just going to preview that H2 tag back to what I changed. Here we go. Looking nice. All right, so that's how you do bigger tags like that for H2 tags. Now, people want to know how to hyperlink or create links. So this is a link to Saison Productions over here. So I'm going to show you from scratch. I'm just going to delete this thing here. And so the title of your company would be, say, Saison Productions. All right. And let me just Google Saison Productions over here. Saison Productions. Okay, here we go. And this is the URL I want to link to. So essentially all you have to do is highlight this, click on link, paste in that URL, and let's preview our changes. It works. So I click on this, goes to your website. Simple as pie. Okay, now a thing that a lot of people will want to do is they'll want to embed videos. So I will show you how to do this. So if you don't already have videos underneath like Danny, then you have to create a new div tag. Scary, I know. Okay, so that one I'll give you the code for in the actual post, but essentially it is this code right here. And again, you can just copy and paste this from the post, not from this video, of course. So we actually need these two tags because you need the opening tag. Here's the opening tag, and the closing tag again, which has this /. So I'm just going to highlight those both, go back here, and insert that in. Now, if you just preview it right now, it really won't do much because you don't have any video in there. So how do we get that video in there? Well, luckily we can go to YouTube. This will work for Vimeo too. They have embed options, or if you're not on YouTube or Vimeo and you want to throw on videos online, just put a comment there and it can help you out. But essentially, let's just embed a BCPVA video. Let's just do my first web tutorial. And
hey, BCPVA members.
Okay, shut up, Greg.
I made.
All right, so you just click on this embed code. And usually I find it defaults to 640 by 385. Maybe that's just me because I use it a lot. But essentially, if it's not defaulted to there, you just click on there. The embed code automatically pops up there. You copy that. You go back to this window here. Paste it in. And preview your change. Blammo, said video now on your profile.
Hey,
well,
BCPVA
not your profile,
members.
it's Danny's profile.
I made this video.
Okay, now we want to have a header for this. So we're going to go back to that H2 tag. So here is my opening and closing H2 tags. And we just copy and paste this below. And we'll just put Greg's BCPVA tutorial video. Let's preview that change. Okay, there we go. And if you want to write some text under that, you could literally just type it in. So this is Greg's BCPVA tutorial video. Preview change. There we go. Easy enough. All right, so this is Danny's profile. I'll be messing with it, so I'm just gonna delete all this stuff. and well, I won't update it. I won't change anything with it. It'll just go back to regular. And just to note,